Hello everybody, welcome to the ICT Grade 7 learning session on presentation. Today we're going to learn about how to apply a theme and a transition in Microsoft PowerPoint 2016. This video lesson will cover what a theme is, how to apply a theme in Microsoft PowerPoint 2016, what transitions are, how to apply a slide transition in Microsoft PowerPoint 2016. We will also watch together a demonstration on how to apply a theme and a transition to a presentation, followed by some quick tests, and finally end up the lesson with a recap. Let's start the lesson by looking at what a theme is. A theme is a combination of colors, fonts, and special effects. A variety of themes are available that are used to give a presentation a personalized look. Themes can be applied or changed at any time during a presentation. Now, let us learn how to apply a theme to a presentation. First, we create a new blank presentation. Then we create a title slide and add 2 additional slides. Next, we select the Design tab from the ribbon and locate the Themes group. Last, we choose a theme that we want to apply to the presentation. In our lesson, we're going to choose this particular theme. You can notice that the theme is applied to all the slides in the presentation. You have learned what is a theme and how it is applied in a presentation. Now, let us learn what are transitions and how a slide transition is applied in a presentation. Transitions are visual movements that occur during a presentation. They can occur on objects on a single slide called animation, between several slides called slide transition. Transitions can be seen in the slideshow view. Now, let us see what are slide transitions. Slide transitions are effects that occur as one slide moves to the next during a presentation. In fact, a variety of transitions are available that are used to give a presentation a professional look. Now, let us move on to applying a transition to a slide. First, select the slide on which you want to apply a transition. Then, click on the Transitions tab from the ribbon and locate the transition to this slide group. Next, choose a transition that you want to apply to the selected slide. This will preview the transition automatically. Last, click Apply to All button in the timing group to apply the same transition to all the slides in the presentation. You will notice a shooting star beside each thumbnail slide after applying the transition to the slides. Play the slideshow to be able to view the transition effects between the slides. Use the mouse or arrow keys to move the slides. Now students, let's watch together a demonstration on how a theme and a slide transition are applied to the presentation. We will use a presentation with a title slide and 2 additional slides. Next, we select the Design tab from the ribbon and locate the Themes group. As you can see, a variety of themes are available. In our lesson, we're going to choose this particular theme. You can notice that the theme chosen is applied to the entire presentation. Now, apply another theme. You can see that themes can be changed at any time to a presentation. Moving on to how to apply a transition to a slide. First, select the slide on which you want to apply a transition. Then click on Transitions tab from the ribbon. Locate the transition to this slide group. Here also a variety of transitions are available. Let us apply the push transition to the slide. This will preview the transition automatically. You can also click on Preview command on the Transitions tab. Last, click Apply to All button in the Timing group to apply the same transition to all the slides in the presentation. Click on the Slideshow button or press F5 to see the transition effects between slides. Use the mouse or arrow keys to move the slides. You will notice a shooting star beside each thumbnail slide after applying the transition to the slides. You can click on each to preview the slide transition effect for a selected slide. Let us try a different transition now. Again, click Apply to All button. You can click on the shooting star to preview the transition effect. Play the slideshow to be able to view the transition effects between slides. This is the end of the demonstration. Now, let's do a quick test to evaluate what you have learned in today's lesson. Read the questions carefully. You will have 3 seconds to answer. Question 1. Which one of these 2 pictures shows a theme? Is it picture A or picture B? The answer is picture A. It shows a theme called badge. Question 2. Which one of the following buttons is used to apply the same transition to all slides to a presentation? Is it A. Mouse click, B. Apply to all, C. Duration button? The answer is B, because when the Apply to All button is clicked, the same transition is applied to all slides. Question 3. After applying a transition, a shooting star appears beside each thumbnail slide. Is it true or false? The answer is true, as once a transition is applied, a shooting star appears beside each thumbnail slide. Question 4. The Design tab is selected from the ribbon when choosing a theme for a presentation. Is it true or false? The answer is true, as indeed the theme is chosen when we click on the Design tab. Last question. Themes can only be applied at the start of a presentation. Is it true or false? The answer is false, as themes can be applied or changed at any time during a presentation. Well, this is the end of the quick test. I hope you have been able to get all your answers correct. Now it's time for a recap of today's lesson. A theme is a mixture of colors, fonts, and special effects. Themes can be applied or changed at any time. Slide transitions are movements that occur as one slide moves to the next during a slideshow view. Themes and transitions are applied to give a presentation a personalized and professional look. Dear students, we have reached the end of today's lesson. I hope you have enjoyed watching this video. So, it's goodbye from me and see you soon.